What is up, y'all boys, bro? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute since I uploaded last, but like I said in my last video, the Z is gonzo, done for. But the replacement car this time, hey yo, we ain't playing small anymore, boys. Let's fucking go. For those of you who do have me on Snapchat, Instagram, my other platforms, you guys might have a little sneak peek of what I might be bringing home here soon. But for those of you guys who haven't, add my Snapchat right here, add my Instagram right here. Tap in, boys. Yes, y'all boys. I haven't decided if I'm gonna sell her or not, or if I'm just gonna keep it as like a daily. It's one of those cars that I would like want to pass down to like my kids and shit. You know, like that'd be fire. That'd be fire. Like they get their license, bro. This is their first car. I pull it out from underneath the sheet in the garage. You know what I mean? Like blow the dust off it, bro. You know, that full circle moment where it's just like, hell yeah, my kid can feel the same excitement that I did about the same thing. That's fire, boys. So since the last time I posted on this channel, damn, honestly, a lot of things have changed. Like, I know that you guys know that I was selling this. This shit was no good. It was no good, bro. She was chopped up. Had to go to the shop. Y'all saw it, bro. Had to push it, get a tow, all that, bro. It was a mess. But since then, she's been running fucking perfect. I haven't had a single issue with her, bro. Like, it was bad. Like, it was a good, like, 2 years or so where she was in the shop probably once every couple months, guaranteed. And it was big bills, like over 5K. But now that I invested all that money into her, she's fucking good. She is smooth. She's exactly how she should have been off rip. So that's good. Now I don't need it. Now I don't need her. As soon as she starts working good, shit, bigger fish, bigger ponds, you know what I'm saying? Like, first of all, dude, seasonal depression is so real and nobody talks about that, bro. Since I moved to Miami, bro, I have never been more happy in my fucking life, bro. Cause it's like, anytime I want to go do something, any time of day, any time of year, bro, I can. No hesitation, because I know the weather's good. I know that there's something going on. Like in a lot of small towns, like 8 p.m. hits, 10 p.m. hits, it's dead. There's nothing going on there anymore. Bro, Miami, it's different, bro. 10 p.m., 9 p.m., shit's just open and shop, bro. It's just now pulling up, bro. Like, it's different, for real. Life is just so crazy and it moves so fast once you take that first risk, bro. Once you take that first big risk to, like, completely go from A to B on anything, your location, your money, your friend group, whatever it is, bro. Any of those big decisions, dude, all you gotta do is just start it, bro. Because once you get that fucking first win, that first success, bro, they just keep rolling in, bro. They just keep racking up, bro. I feel like I've lived 5 lives in the last 2 years, bro, and most people feel like they live 2 lives in their whole life. You know what I mean? That's fucking crazy, first of all. She sounds good, dude. She sounds so fucking good. The car I'm getting, bro, it ain't gonna sound that crazy, but it would walk this fucking thing. It would dog walk this, bro. So I'm like, okay, kind of a plus. Also, dude, for those of you guys who had me on Snap about 2024, I mean, y'all probably already know what I'm getting, bro. But if not, once again, add me on Snap, boys. That's where I'm the most active, bro. I always be posting on there. About to start doing giveaways and shit here soon, too. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely tap in with that for sure. Scan the QR code, boys. Don't lack out. Ooh, this bi-turbo, though? The wagon. I can't fuck with wagons, bro. If y'all fuck with wagons, put down in the comments why, bro, because I'm gonna have to try and fucking take this gap. Took it. Give me that shit. Come on, trying to be late. Better show up, my excitement on delivery day, that's all I'm gonna say about it, is gonna be unmatched, bro. Live streams, bro, everything, dude. Like, once again, follow me on all platforms, bro, because I'm gonna be getting active, real fucking busy once that shit is confirmed and I have that bitch in hand. I'm just saying, bro. Since moving to Miami, bro, I haven't felt like this shit's real like once ever, bro. Like, this shit, whole thing still feels like a fucking dream. Also, I'm mad curious, how many of you guys are business owners as well, and how many of you guys just spam stimulants, bro? I'm telling you, bro, that's the only way to get through it, bro. Coffee, energy drinks, bro. You just need to spam the stimmies, bro. There's no way, bro, you're doing this shit just straight up fresh bankroll, bro. No way. Come on, guys. No way. Come on. There's a Maybach up here. Beautiful, dude. It's crazy. I went my whole life without ever seeing a Maybach, ever seen a G-Wagon, ever seen a Lambo, ever seen a Ferrari. And now it's just normal. Like, I'll break my neck for maybe a McLaren Senna, maybe like a fully built like F8, but a Huracan, traffic. A McLaren 520S, traffic. Like, it's crazy. Urus, traffic. Like, it's crazy. Some of y'all motherfuckers' dream cars are Honda Type R. God damn. I don't know if y'all can hear the sound of the car clearly on this. If you can, bro, oh boy, I'm glad I fucking held on to her, dude. Good little daily, bro. Like, if y'all are like fresh out of high school, maybe even in high school, somehow happen to get your funds right a little bit, bro, dog, what else would you buy, bro? For 12K, 15K, what else are you gonna buy besides a 370? Like, what else is in that price range, bro? A BRZ? Nigga, you gonna buy a Subaru, nigga? Nah, bro, nah.
Sippin' OJ and the Chris, model with me, she lit. Let the venom in the trench. Got the go on my wrist. This bitch drinking me, she a bitch. It's something they smoking on stick.
I was just thinking about this, bro, and it's like, one thing that you could do right now that would change how you perceive yourself and how much you respect yourself, bro, is just give random compliments throughout the day. Like, set a goal for yourself, 10 compliments I'm gonna sling out today, and then sling them out, you know what I mean? I don't know why, but when you give somebody a compliment and you can see it genuinely, like, resonates with them, like, I mean, like, that type of shit is just fuel, bro. So much fucking fuel. And so many people are just so selfish, like, they don't think about that, you know what I mean? Like, they want that from everybody, but they don't give it to anybody. You know, and that's the whole issue. I give what I receive most times. If I'm ever walking down the street or something, someone compliments my watch, my car, or something like that, I can think back to a time within the last week where I did the same to somebody else. You know what I mean? And I feel like that's the only reason that it comes full circle. Also, boys, I've been lacking with the whole car scene out here content, bro. Because I know a lot of you guys want to see that. I just have not been trying to make those type of connections. I've been really, really business focused in my friendships and my intentions and just how I move everything, which I would rather prefer, bro. Like, everybody has a car, dog. If your whole friend group is a friend group because of cars, what the fuck y'all doing, bro? Your guys' qualifications for your friend groups is just what everybody else has. You know what I mean? By default, it's like, my friend group is who I went to high school with. Like, everyone went to high school. You see what I mean? But you have to make your friend group less accessible, bro. I would only be friends with people who are running their own business right now, self-employed, you know what I mean? Like, not relying on anybody else but themselves and looking to grow. That's simply it. Not one single one of those things will you find by default in somebody. And that's also why I don't have a lot of friends, but I do have quality. Not even gonna lie, bro. Like, 2 people I talk to. A lot of people hit me up and shit, but I don't fucking really engage. That's crazy pretty. You know what I mean? Like, make that change this fucking week, bro. If you guys really want to start changing your life, bro, live a life of abundance, fucking not wait till 60 till you're fucking retired to get your dream car, to fucking move to the dream location that you want, any of that shit, bro. Then, nigga, reassess your friends, reassess your standards, and reset those bitches. If you focus on money and connections right now when you're young, when you're old, I wouldn't even say old. Like, old for me is like 30 to 40. Like, that's old as fuck. Like, me thinking about me saying I'm 30 years old is like, oh shit. You know what I mean? Oh, I missed my fucking turn a bit. Damn, I have to go left? Really? I've never been to this beach. I've never even really been over here, period. So this will be fucking fun, bro, because the only beaches that I have been to, bro, are the beaches y'all know, like South Beach. Like, if you ever watched a video of a spring break, like, fight, party, whatever, nigga, that's where it's at. But the issue with those, bro, is like, you'll show up fucking January, bro, on a Tuesday, and it's shoulder to fucking shoulder, bro. It's crazy, because that gets crazy when you're just driving, like Tuesday, fucking 2 p.m., you see Lambos, Rolls Royces, people taking videos, like, just people just fucking living their normal life, not just going and coming from work, you know what I mean? That's something I've never been exposed to in my whole fucking life. So, these over here are fucking insane. Like, it's fire to live in a place where, like, people are working jobs that you can only work here. I mean, like, you're not working a boat job in fucking Colorado, you know what I mean? It's like, if I were to be working like a normal job, bro, here I could probably find one that I'm pretty happy in, you know what I mean? And that alone I feel like is worth the risk, bro. Hold on, do y'all see this crib right here? That's their driveway right there, right? This whole thing right here is like a basketball court, full-length basketball court. Do y'all see that? That's wealth, boys. That's crazy, dude. What is up, y'all boys? We're back here at the crib. Today's video didn't really have a plan, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to the channel, drop a sub, bro. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.